Alright, we're doing chicken avocado sliders. First, take a chunk of chicken, chop it up, throw that in the microwave, give it a little bit of a nuke because I like nukes. Anyways, moving on. Now while that happens, I got these sweet Hawaiian rolls and man, they're good. But I know you want to fill them right away, but you gotta prep the bun. So, prep the bun, I'm adding some cheddar cheese on one half, and the other one, just a bit of butter, and yes, that is a bit, and a little bit of garlic. Stick them in the broiler for about 3 minutes. That's all it takes. Don't want to burn them. Alright, now your chicken's good. Pull that out. Add some mayo and Frank's Red Hot and mix it up to your consistency. If you want it spicier, add more Frank's Red Hot or chili pepper or whatever. If you want it creamy, just add more mayo. It'll depend how much chicken you need for your measurements. And there you go. Remember to pull out in time on the bun. You don't want to leave it in too long, in the buns, that is. And there you go. Now put your chicken mix on one side. Now you got this nice avocado spread. You know, some people call it guacamole on the other. And there will be a link if you want to click on it. Meanwhile, slap those buns together, give a couple claps, and serve, because these are delicious.